Hi, welcome to Quiz Time A2 level. We have a different style today. We are going to use the notebook to ask the questions. As usual, there will be 15 questions. The first part is about verb plus preposition. The second part is the confused pairs, and the third part is composed of three key questions. I said 3 key, sorry. Okay, so keep track of your score, because if your score is between 1 to 5, it means you have to keep practicing with us. And if your score is between 6 to 12, it means you did a great job. And if your score is between 13 to 15, well, you're in the expert level and you're ready for B1. Okay, well, let's start. Okay, let's start. I hope you see them very well. Part 1, okay, number 1. I am listening music. And the correct answer is 2. Number 2. It depends the weather. Is it of, on, or from? And the correct answer is on. Number 3. She is interested in history. Is it in, at, or with? And the correct answer is in. Number 4. Are you good math? Is it in, at, or with? And the correct answer is at. Number 5. We arrived the hotel at 9 p.m. Is it to, at, or in? And the correct answer is at. Let's move on to part 2, the confused pairs. Number 6. Please me the truth. Is it say or tell? And the correct answer is tell. Number 7. Can I your pen for a second? Is it borrow or lend? And the correct answer is borrow. Number 8. I have a lot of to do today. Is it job or work? And the correct answer is work. Number 9. He hello to me this morning. Is it said or told? And the correct answer is said. Number 10. I will you my umbrella because it's raining. Is it borrow or lend? And the correct answer is lend. Let's move on to part 3. Number 11. I made a in my exam. Is it mistake, error, or wrong? And the correct answer is mistake. Number 12. Is he married? A famous actress. Is it with, to, or of? And the correct answer is to. Number 13. I'm thinking buying a new car. Is it about, on, or in? And the correct answer is about. Number 14. My brother has a very difficult Is it job or work? And the correct answer here is job. Number 15. Look, my new dog. He is so cute. Is it for, at, or to? And the correct answer is at. So what's your score? What's your score? Tell us in the comments, okay? I'm sure you did a good job. Well, bye for now, and please subscribe for more easy A2 English practice. Bye!